Hello, my beautiful people. You're all stunning. I just want to say that. Welcome to a new episode of Soulful Synergy Hub, and thank you very much for joining me in another episode of just revisiting, learning, growing together as a collective. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. That would be greatly appreciated. Now, today I want to talk about the Law of Relativity. Such a beautiful law. As Albert Einstein once said, everything's relative, baby. So, this law suggests that we are inclined to compare things in our world. But to be honest with you, there is balance. Sometimes we see things as left wing, and sometimes we see things as right wing. But it's all about the balance. Everything is usually neutral, just in a state of calm, a state of complete and utter balance and tranquility. We need to understand this law because it's good for us comparing our lives with what we are doing and how we can make sure that we cultivate peace within ourselves even when times get hard. Every person in this world has encountered a challenge, whether it's been stress from work, people have hurt them or made them wrong in the past, or maybe they've gone on financial hardship, or the list goes on. But when the law of relativity is imbued, we don't see these as issues, we see these as opportunities for growth. For example, I talked about my previous episodes where we need to forgive people, because if we don't forgive people, they will own our power in one way or another. That's how we can use the law of relativity to ensure that we make sure that in order for us to heal, we need to make sure that we see things in a different way. When it comes to having financial hardship, it gives us a means to find out ways to get more finances or even find a better job for us. We are on this plane to find answers. We're graduating from the earth school. Yeah, remember, we are souls having a human experience at this current moment of time, and we need to graduate. Maybe we need to find out to hold more boundaries. Maybe we need to love ourselves. Maybe we need to stop looking for the right person in the wrong people. And this is what the human experience is about. Sometimes we beat ourselves up and we're upset and we feel sad because we didn't do things right. But that's the thing, everything is a teacher. And we have to learn the right ways, even if it takes a lifetime to do so. But we should be very kind on ourselves throughout the whole process. Now, just remember that energy and decisions and choices, they have an equal and an opposite reaction, right? And that is more of general relativity that we see in our science books nowadays. So in that case, if something negative happens, then there's usually an equal and a positive way of getting through this situation. If someone shows their anger on us, we can show them anger back because it feels right. But if you use the law of relativity, we show this person peace and love and we transmute the energy they give us. And this is what we need to do. We need to make sure that people see from love and people get a new perspective on things. And this is why it's better to show people love when they choose violence. This is why we need to be kind to ourselves and from there be kind to others. This is why we need to show respect even though people might not be showing us the same satisfaction. Remember to protect your energy. Remember to keep yourself to yourself when it comes to bad energy coming to your space. But just remember, you're very, very powerful. So use the law of relativity to live a life as confidence instead of seeing yourself as weak and futile. And always choose love over everything.